Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And if you guys know me, you knew that I had a 93 Typhoon, a pair of them, a few years after high school when they first came out in 92. But this happens to be a 1993 GMC Typhoon with 83,100 miles documented on the title. This is a clean Carfax and auto check report vehicle with 4 previous owners and no accidents. If you guys are wondering, why is the paint so nice on this GMC? Well, the paint, the cladding, as you can see, is all new. This car was SUV, was actually stripped down. The glass was taken out of it. All the door handles, tail lights, so forth and so on, professionally repainted and put back together. And that's why it looks brand new. The interior is original. It does have the V6 3.8 turbo, 3.8 liter turbo motor with the automatic overdrive. Factory GMC wheels, as you can see there. Interior is all stock. It is leather, plushy, comfy. Everything is stock here. Tilt wheels, they all came that way. You got the center console up above, center console up in the middle there. Just clean stock radio. A little crack there in the dash, which is pretty common. They do sell those carpet dashes if you wanted to put it over. Nice back seats, like new, like no one sat in it. Let me fire it up real quick, guys. I want you to hear it. Sounds stock. I mean, look at this thing. It's gorgeous. Please check out all the photos at the website there. Very hard to find, and especially in this condition and in this price range. So go ahead and check out all those photos at MGMClassicCars.com. Another pretty cool thing buying a car from our dealership is that these cars here get serviced by the mechanics, so you know what you're getting. Very clean under the engine compartment as well. You can check out the photos at the website. So we have long-term financing, low monthly payments, very affordable. Check out the information on the description or give me a call or text. The financing application is at the website, in which is MGMClassicCars.com. I do have over 200 cars handpicked here in 2 buildings in Addison, Illinois. Feel free to fly in to Chicago O'Hare and drive this puppy back home if you wanted to. There you have it, guys. If you need delivery, we are licensed, insured, and bonded right to your driveway for the purchase price of the truck. You will just have to text me your zip code, and I'll get you a quote. Again, my name's Thomas. I can be reached at 847-848-1850. Have a great day.